Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. At dahil January, malamig pa rin ang panahon at minsan umuulan pa. Kaya for today, we will be cooking a vegetable soup. One of those days na nagmamadali ka. So this is just like a really quick, shortcut chicken vegetable soup. Para lang sa malamig na panahon at pag galing sa trabaho, kailangan natin i-rush. Ito na yung ating lulutuin. So let's go! So with this one, you would just need any dried herb. So for me, ang dami kong herbs, no? I'm gonna use thyme. So we're just gonna use some vegetable oil para meron tayong sopas. I'm just gonna drain it. So this is just cubed potatoes, cubed carrots, and some thyme. So we're just gonna finish the onions. A little bit of garlic, yung carrots, it's a clear hearty soup. And that's the chicken breast na cube. And here, chicken cube, thyme, so again, napaka-simple lang, di ba? And napakadali. Especially dahil nung Pasko, ang dami natin kinain. So it's just a very light soup. So we're just gonna cook this fully. And then we will add our water. I'm gonna add some white pepper on this one. Kasi clear soup eh. So, gusto natin white pepper. So, napaka-healthy niya. Yung canola oil. And then I'm gonna add some water. So this is gonna be a 1 liter soup. So it's about good for 4 to 5 cups. So we're just waiting for it to boil and it's done. Ganun lang kasimple ang ating soup. Adjust the salt and pepper as you wish. You can add string beans also. Kasi may natira pa tayong maggi beans, diba? From the other demo. So if you have other vegetables, it will be good with celery also or green onions. So we're just waiting for it to boil and it's ready to serve. Ganun lang. Yung matitira, lagay mo sa freezer and then ready to cook. Ready to eat. Basta may microwave or stove, pwede kayo mag-soup. I'm telling you, mag-lose kayo ng weight. Kung ito yung dinner nyo for 1 week straight, promise, at least 2 pounds. Kung ito lang yung dinner nyo, walang tinapay. Pero hindi naman yung nagbo-buffet kayo for lunch. Yung normal lunch lang sa office, di ba? Tapos pag uwi mo, ito lang yung dinner mo. Especially pag galing ka sa ulan, I think it's really perfect. Versus like makanin. So, kaya mo yan. Balik Alindog 2026, di ba? January, kailangan tayo mag-lose ng weight lahat, di ba? So now that it's vigorously, so basically, ganun lang siya. Very ganun ka-simple ang ating chicken and vegetable soup. So, I always like having this on stock para those days na nagmamadali ako. There you go. Simple, clear. One of our recipes for Balik Alindog 2026. Chicken and vegetable soup. Gabi, no rice. Sigurado, babalik Alindog natin. Lose tayo 2 pounds a week. So, yun lang po. At thank you for watching Kusina ni Mrs. O. Maghanap tayo ng taste tester ngayon.
Ang sarap. Yun lang sinabi. Yung lasa niya, pagka tamang-tama pagka naumay siya na sa mga pagkain mo sa Noche Buena sa holiday season. Masarap siya pagka nagdagal. Masarap ang tanggal umay. Pang-clean ng palate. Pang-clean ng palate.